Let's start by setting up n8n. n8n Cloud costs $20+ per month, but self-hosting runs under $5 per month with unlimited automations and access to community nodes not even available on the cloud plan. We'll use Hostinger because their one-click template handles all the setup for you. Use the link on screen or in the description for 10% off. The KVM1 plan is more than enough to get started. Pick the closest server to you, confirm n8n is selected, and hit Continue. Then follow the prompts to finish setup. Hostinger will set up your server automatically. This takes a few minutes. When it's done, click Manage App to open n8n. Bookmark this URL to access n8n directly going forward. Then follow the prompts to set up your n8n account. This is important. In the Get Paid Features for Free pop-up, click Send me a free license key. Then check your inbox for the n8n email and activate your license. You're in! Welcome to n8n.